In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and subpages to your Weebly site quickly and efficiently. This is ideal if you're looking to expand your site's layout or categorize your content more effectively. We'll walk through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. Start by visiting the free website builder page on Weebly. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll notice a login button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your email address in the designated field, then click Next to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your password. Once you've done that, hit the Login button. Now that you're in, head over to the Overview section of your Weebly account. You should see an Edit Site option there. Click on that to open the website editor. Once inside the editor, locate the Pages section. This is where you'll manage the layout and structure of your site. To add a new page, look for the plus icon and give it a click. You'll be presented with options for different types of pages. For this demonstration, select Standard Page. This is perfect for creating unique standalone content. Next, you'll be prompted to give this new page a name. Pick a name that accurately reflects the content you'll be putting on it. Once you're satisfied, hit Done. The new page is now part of your site structure, however, it might not be in the perfect spot yet. To rearrange your pages, simply click and drag your new page to the position you desire in the page list. It's an uncomplicated way to organize your content, ensuring that your most important pages are easily accessible. Next, let's add another standard page. Just like before, click the plus icon, select Standard Page, choose a fitting name, and then click Done. You'll want to organize this new page too, so go ahead and click and drag it into the appropriate spot. To see how your pages are shaping up, click on the plus icon again to preview how everything looks live. This is a great way to ensure your site layout meets your expectations and functions well for your visitors. Now that you've created multiple pages, you also have the option to create subpages for better organization. To make a page a subpage, simply drag it so it slightly indents under the main page. This adds a hierarchical structure to your site, making it easier for visitors to navigate. Once you're satisfied with the changes and arrangements you've made, the final step is crucial. Click on the Publish button. This ensures all your new pages and subpages go live for the world to see. Congratulations, you've successfully added new pages and subpages to your Weebly site.